Hiya and welcome to my unboxing of the Planners Anonymous October subscription kit. This kit is called Forest Falls. Here we have the sticker on the box, Forest Falls. Ta-da! So I have a few little packages here. This one is the extra paper pack that's an add-on to the subscription kit, and this is the extra sticker kit, which is also an add-on. As per usual, I'm just going to unbox the paper first. I like to unbox the paper first as it gives a good indication of the theme of the kit and the colours used in the kit. So on the top here, I'll just grab some white paper. On the top is a piece of vellum, and you can see it's these gorgeous leaves. Gorgeous piece of vellum. And then there's a piece of acetate here with a gold foil on it. And I'll just pop it there, and you can see it's this leaf pattern. And it's fall, I can't actually say it, Yule? Is it fall? It's fall Yule? Just showing my silliness with not being able to say an easy word. Okay, and so now the paper, this is gorgeous. So this is the same as the vellum, but obviously with the paper, the colours are more vibrant, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And the reverse side of the paper is this colour here. So each paper of course is double-sided, so you've got two of this one. And then this super cute fox. Super cute. So foxes, pumpkins, berries, leaves. Lovely. And on the reverse side of that is this colour here. So you can see you have two of those. And then a campfire scene with the, maybe it's hot chocolate. It can be whatever drink you want it to be. So the campfire with this on the reverse side. So we've got two of those. So that very much shows the theme of the kit. And then this here is the mystery item for the month. So the mystery item is not necessarily a mystery, it's just a changing item every month. So sometimes it's a sequins or it's a pouch or whatever, but this month, two gorgeous felt paper clips. So they're a leaf, and then there's the reverse side with the felt on the reverse. And they're a nice little size, so they'd be good in any planner really. And gorgeous bright colours. And now this is everything else in the monthly kit in this little bag here. Goodness me, it doesn't want to open this month. There we go, we got in. Goodness me, that was a bit of a mission this month to get into the bag. So we have our planner girl of the month, and she is very stylish looking. I love her. So this is her, and I'll just turn her around. I'm not going to read it, but if you'd like to read it, you can probably just pause it right there. But I can see that her name is Cheryl. So there's Cheryl. And then I have to look at the pen. So here's the pen for the month with gold hardware, and there's Planners Anonymous engraved on the clip there, and red, orange and yellow crystals in the barrel. And the barrel itself is a gorgeous colour, which I don't know if I can describe the colour even. You can see it there for yourself. It's gorgeous. Love the pen. Love the pen. Okay. Then we've got the stickers for the month. Just loving the colours of this kit. And this fox, oh my goodness, it's so adorable. And the bicycle. So we've got this sheet. I'll just move these. And then we've got another girl here. And oh my goodness, this hedgehog is just the cutest thing. The trees with the different colours on them. Really lovely watercoloured stickers. Then we've got the day headers and the folding traveller's notebook sticker, which is divine. And then the more functional stickers in each of the 4 main colours for the kit. 4 sheets of stickers as per usual for the month, and honestly the watercolour effect on these and the colours, absolutely love it. It's spring here at the moment, but this kit almost makes me wish it was autumn. And then quote cards for the month. There's the backer card with the cute fox on it. And we've got Fall in Love, pumpkin spice and everything nice. I've never actually had pumpkin spice, but it might be nice. Goodness me, I'm going to have to try and say it again. It's Fall Yule. Please don't laugh too much at me. And we've got Give Thanks, Stay Cozy, and Spice It Up. So 6 quote cards. And then the stamp kit for the month, which looks lovely. I'll just take it out of the packaging. So here's the stamp kit for the month, and I'm just in love with this fox. That fox, look at it. That fox is just super cute. And Cheryl looks so stylish. So we've also got a little sweater weather, and pumpkins, leaves, apples. Oh, the cute hedgehog, adorable. And these leaves here will layer with these stamps, which is always fun to play with, layering stamps. So the large art card for the month. So this is a 5x7 inch card, perfect for the B6 planner. The large art card is these gorgeous leaves with all of these lovely watercoloured colours and Fall in Love, which is just stunning. And then the pocket is the same pattern with all of the leaves. These of course are perforated as per usual, perforated along the edges there, so you fold in the 3 sides, and then you've got an easy pocket for putting your stickers or whatever else you want to in your planner. So I love that pattern. And then we've got a die cut of Cheryl. This time she isn't anonymous, this time she has her eyes. And then we've got a lovely leaf, oh, some wood. Oh my goodness, the cute hedgehog, I love it. Another leaf. Lots of nice watercoloured leaves. We've got the pumpkins, a leaf, the super cute fox, the really cute bicycle, the apples. This is nice, the wreath with Give Thanks, the truck with the massive, huge, must have won a prize at a state fair pumpkin, and the lovely autumn tree. So they're the gorgeous die cuts that come in the kit. I'm just loving the colours of this kit. And now the only thing left to look at are the 3 rolls of washi tape, which I have here. I'll just roll these out because you can always see them a lot better when they're rolled out. Okay, my rolling out is incredibly crooked. Please ignore the incredibly crooked rolling out, but just appreciate the gorgeousness of the washi. So we've got a gold foil. It doesn't look like the wide washi is foiled at all, But these two washies here, we have a gold foil. So we've got the gold foiled apple, and then we've got the vine with the plaid background. And then this washi is gorgeous. The lovely trees with the reflection of the trees in the water. Absolutely gorgeous. So there we have the 3 washies for Forest Falls. Now we'll just look at the additional paper pack. So you can add this on to your monthly subscription and it will ship with your kit. It's a really good thing to do because it really stretches out the use of the kit for crafting. You get different designs of paper, but obviously it still all coordinates with everything. So a very worthwhile thing to have. The first paper is this, which might be my favourite paper so far. This is gorgeous with the watercoloured autumn trees and the reflection in the water. That is absolutely stunning, this piece of paper. And on the reverse side there is a green. So we have 2 sheets of that one. Oh, truly it's lovely, really lovely. Then we've got the plaid pattern or plaid with the brown on the background. Very full. And then this cute pattern here with all of the little warm and cozy accessories, I suppose you could call them, like the socks and the slippers and the boots and blankets and scarves and teapots. Very cute. And on the reverse is this shade of orange. So 2 of those. And then with the additional paper pack, you also get an additional copy of the acetate and of the vellum, which is fantastic because sometimes when you only have 1 sheet, it's hard to actually use it if you have a tendency to hoard. So it's fantastic to get the extras, and it makes you actually use your goodies, and they're made to use, so why not? So now we'll just look at the extra sticker kit. So this extra sticker kit is also an add-on to the monthly kit, and when you add it on, it ships with the kit each month. And as per usual, a huge pile of stickers. Amazing. So the first sheet has the gorgeous Cheryl on it, and then we've got another girl here with her cozy wear, cozy armchair, and cute candles, super cute candles and teapots there. And then we've got this girl, and we've got apples, fruit, different pies and drinks and s'mores, all the food, the season of eating. Then we've got a guy and pumpkins. These wreaths are gorgeous. Love that. Love the tree. There's the tree. Oh, and then lots of smaller trees and leaves, which will be fantastic for decorating with. And the super cute hedgehogs and foxes. This little guy here, you just want to tickle his tummy. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they are adorable. And then we've got a double box with that gorgeous pattern, and then full boxes. So these are 1.5 inch width boxes, and then the vines, which you can use to divide up your column or use however you like, really. And another double box, which is the campfire scene, and these are full boxes. And then the banner, which fits a double box, and the clipboards, which are full boxes, but they're decorative but functional boxes. Love them. And then we've got all of our sayings here. And everybody is catered for, with autumn is my favourite colour and fall is my favourite colour. And then we've got the monthly date dots, 2 sets of those, so one for your monthly spread, one for your weeklies. My favourite little post-it note stickers, love them. And then we've got the 4 pages as per usual with the different colours of the month in it. And we've got the day headers and then just other shape splashes, a weekly tracker again, so there's 7 dots there for the 7 days of the week, and a full box. So the colours this month are looking just gorgeous. It's orange, this one, and this shade of green. And then the minis, which are always so super cute. So we've got the minis which match the characters in the kit that we've already seen. And the little duo mini this month has the planner guy in it. Super cute. And then these are the functional minis and the peeking minis. Love them. I love the minis every month. Well, I love the stickers every month. I love everything every month. Just zooming out on all of the stickers, so there are 18 sheets of gorgeous stickers, and I absolutely love them all. So here is the Forest Falls kit from Planners Anonymous for October. Obviously I can't fit everything in the one frame. There's a lot here, but as I sit here and look at everything, my palms are actually itching to start to do something with this kit. I love it. The colours and the watercolor effect that Planners Anonymous are known for is just perfect with this theme, because I mean we all know the colours of the changing leaves, and watercolor and those leaves are just obviously a match made in heaven. So I'm absolutely loving this kit. If you've got this kit coming to you, I know that you're going to love it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!